Hello and welcome. A few hours ago, the UK government released an announcement that citizens of Botswana would now need a visa in order to visit the UK, effective 3 p.m. British Standard Time today. The reason given by the UK government is that there has been a significant increase in the number of nationals of Botswana who have been going to the UK to claim asylum. This also means that nationals of Botswana would no longer qualify for the electronic travel authorization and would now have to apply for visas like most nationals of African countries do. In the previous video that I made about Botswana's planned citizenship by investment scheme, I did allude to the fact that there's a strong chance that the UK would withdraw their visa-free access to citizens of Botswana. The reason I said that was generally because European countries tend not to favor countries that offer their citizenship to investors because of national security. That's the shortest way to explain. Because they feel like when a country offers their citizenship for sale, people that these European countries would normally not allow into their country might be able to bypass the restriction by purchasing citizenship from a third country. Even though in this case, the government of the UK is saying that they are cancelling Botswana's visa-free access to their country because of the increase in asylum claims, I feel that it's too much of a coincidence that this is happening just after the government of Botswana announced that they were going to offer a citizenship by investment scheme. Now, to be honest, I strongly feel that this new move by the UK government would significantly reduce the value that the Botswana passport would offer to potential investors, considering the fact that the UK was one of the strongest countries that the Botswana passport holders had access to. Now, the UK government withdrawing visa-free access to African countries is not exactly new. The UK government reviews their visa policy on a regular basis. The latest example I can find was August 16, 2023, when the UK government withdrew their visa-free access to Namibia. The reason the government of the UK cancelled Namibia's visa-free access to their country in August 2023 was that a large number of Namibian citizens were filing for asylum in the UK and general abuse of the UK's immigration system. Before August 2023, the last time the UK cancelled visa-free access to African countries was on July 1, 2009, when 3 African countries were withdrawn from the UK's visa-free access list. And these countries are Lesotho, Eswatini, which is formerly known as Swaziland, and South Africa. The reason the UK government gave back then regarding these 3 countries was related to illegal migration, crime, and security. So this means that as of today, October 14, 2025, only 2 African countries have visa-free access to the UK, and these are Seychelles and Mauritius. Interestingly, Mauritius and Seychelles are the 2 other African countries who have visa-free access to the Schengen zone. So it means that these 2 countries have the strongest African passports by a very huge margin. And again, it makes me wonder if these 2 countries would ever consider offering citizenship by investments. Anyway, that's about it for now. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Cheers.